can't.
1, enter.
Nothing. This is broken.
Oh,
wait, that's not it. That's not it.
It's not touchscreen either.
Whoa, man!
This is my mission.
Looking. I'm trying to get the controllers in. The controls are down. We can't work this.
We can't. Together. Shit.
Okay, now you just fucked it up again. What the hell?
Did not.
Oh my god. We're here trying to fly this thing and we can't do anything.
Why would you do that?
What are you talking about, man? That's a gravity
You
force.
just did that.
That's a gravity
That was
force.
you.
That's gravity force.
That was you.
How you gonna blame me for this?
That was you. That was you.
Listen, we're in space right now. We're still trying to fly this thing.
Maybe if you stop your engine, tell 911.
I don't think it works like that, dog.
314-278-2727.
I think it only goes down to space control.
Shit. I was trying to call the pizza guy. I'm pretty fucking hungry right now.
So how's it gonna get over here?
NASA? Fuck.
Well, at least the suicide rate hasn't changed yet.
Are you two done yet?
I don't know. I haven't done anything.
You haven't picked English yet.
I can't press anything.
In transmission.